Hi everyone, thank you very much for watching my video and for subscribing to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button. I just want to give you an update on my Porsche Cayenne Turbo. Actually, it's really nice that the dealer gave me two sets of key. The problem is that one of the key battery, the key fob, the battery is old. So this is what happened when your Porsche Cayenne Turbo key fob is old. Basically, you can't really do anything about it. You can still drive with this because it has chip, but you can't really open the car or lock the car. So this is the normal key fob with healthy battery. So you can still lock the car, unlock the car. So yeah, it's funny. A lot of people online is kind of, like freaked out because some of them thought in order to change the key fob battery, it is so funny. I was looking at some posts on Reddit. It says, oh, it's a Porsche, you need a special tool. But don't worry, if you buy a Porsche, actually it's really simple. You don't need a Porsche key fob special tool that, oh, actually it's just telling me that the door is locked. But anyway, yeah, you don't need a Porsche special tool. What you need, my wife is here today to help me. What you need to do in order to open this, you don't need special tool. You just need to open, come on here, just press this, voila. So what you need to do, just get your thumb right here or your finger and just pry it open with your finger. No special tool needed, and that's it. That's all. That's it. All you need to do, look, like that, and you just pry it open with your finger. That's it. It's kind of funny. And then what you need to do, you need to figure out the lithium battery number. In this case, the lithium battery, can you see that? It's a CR. I'll put the link in the description. When what do you call that? When you need to find the battery. So it's 2032 CR 2032. What you need to do, just get the old battery out. It looks like that, and I'm just gonna put it here. You need to recycle that, and this is what I like. I got the Energizer 2032 lithium battery. It comes with 4 of them, so it's really easy. Just need to open one of them. This thing is gonna, there it is. Hold on. I may need to get a scissor for this one. Oop, hold on, I'll be back. Come on back, mommy. I may need to open it on this side. There you go. Now just get the one of the battery out. Yeah, it's actually tighter than I thought. So if you have scissor, you may want to use scissor because it's gonna make your life a lot easier. Oh, look at that! It's even better. I have a knife. So what you want to do, just open it with a knife. Perfect. Get one out. There you go. Wow, this is crazy. That Energizer, look, they're really protected. Man, they really wrap this thing good. Unbelievable how tight this thing is. Yeah, it's really dangerous because you don't want to cut your finger. There it is. Wow, they're really rapid. Oh, there it is. You see that? Make sure you remove this one from here. Darling. So, yeah, see what you need to do. Now you just have to find the cover and make sure you remove this. If you don't remove it, it will not work. There you go. Remove the cover. Now you put new one on and put it back. Voila. Now it should be working now. There you go. So let me see. Now it's done. So yep. So now it should be working. There you go. Yep. So this is it. That's how you change the battery of the Porsche Cayenne key fob. It doesn't take much to do this. So yeah. Anyway, thank you so much for watching my video and for subscribing to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button. Thank you very much. Bye.